This 2014 Dodge Charger is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Dodge Charger RT AWD Customer Preferred Package 29 All-Wheel Driver Sport Appearance Package Heated front seats, heated rear seats, heated and amp-cooled cup holder seats, premium sound system with subwoofer, rear view camera, 5.7L Hemi V8 engine, automatic transmission, keyless entry, keyless start, adjustable steering wheel, power windows, power door locks, pitch black exterior, black leather interior, floor mats. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detailed walk-around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2014 Dodge Charger RT is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago is not res. Visit us at autogallerychicago.com.